My name is Sarah. I studied 2 bachelor's degrees, one in physics and the second one in civil engineering. I, um, my current job is administrative assistant, and I am also studying a master's degree in engineering with a specialization in construction management. In the future, I would like to have a job that involves sustainability practices such as rainwater harvesting, water treatment, bubble deck, or photovoltaic cells, and well, other green buildings and green building materials and construction methods. I'm taking this course not to get a better job, because here in Mexico it is not speaking English is not a required skill to get a job at construction management, but because I have some American friends that I met through the online game Clash of Clans, and well, I would like to speak to them without being embarrassed by my pronunciation. And actually, a few months ago, one of them challenged me to recite the Chaos Problem. I haven't been able to do it. I also practice Shaolin Kung Fu, and in my free time I like to bake. So if you like online games like Pokemon Go, or are interested in global warming and green technologies, feel free to contact me through the Coursera discussion forum or by leaving a comment to this video. Thank you very much.